Hello, everybody. Today you're going to be working on your center, the number 3 center, the art center. And you first have to start off with one red heart. You have to start off with one white heart. You have to grab one of the blue pieces of paper, and you have to grab one of these strips of stars. Okay, so get all of your pieces, and you will need a scissors and a glue bottle. Okay, start by cutting out your hearts, your blue piece, and your stars. So that is the first thing you have to do, is start by getting everything all cut out. That is probably the hardest part, and the stars are absolutely the hardest. Make sure you have points on your stars, okay? So I have my hearts, both of them cut out. I've got my blue piece cut out, and I have my stars cut out, okay? Now we're ready to get started putting it together. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your red heart, and if you see black around the outside, that is going to be the back side of your heart. You don't want to see that in the hallway. So that is the side, the black side, that's where you're going to put your name. So put your name on the side that has the black, okay? Okay. Then you're going to pick up your white heart. And it doesn't really matter which side of the heart you're looking at, because what you're going to do with your white heart is you're going to snip it. Now, I am going to take that little piece that I just snipped, and I am going to glue it right down here at the bottom of my red heart. Okay? So I'm going to take my glue bottle, and I'm going to put a dab, just a dot of glue down at the bottom of my red. See my dot of glue? And I'm going to put that piece of white right down there at the bottom of my red heart. It's glued now. Now I'm going to do this with my white. I'm going to go up a little bit farther, and I'm going to cut all the way across. And that piece, I'm not going to do anything with. I'm going to throw that piece away. But I'm going to move up a little bit farther, and I'm going to cut all the way across. And I see there's black. I see a little bit of black over here. I don't want that to show. So I'm going to put a dot of glue over here, and I'm going to put a dot of glue over here, one on each side like that. And I'm going to put it on my red, right where it fits on there. Do you see it doesn't quite fit over there? I'm going to move it down a little bit farther so it fits. So it touches the edges on both sides. It's like a stripe. So I have red, well, I have white, red, white. Now I'm going to skip a piece, and I'm going to do more white. And I'm going to do stripes all the way up to the top of my heart. So I'm going to keep going, cutting off a piece of the white, throwing it away, grab another strip, and glue it on my red. And I'm just going to put dots of glue on it to hold it in place. Little dots. I don't want glue squishing out. I want it to just be nice and neat. Got another stripe. And I'm going to cut another piece of scrap white out. And then I'm going to do another stripe. And when I have it all striped, then I'm going to be ready to do my next step. Okay, so I'm going to put my next stripe on. And then I'm going to do one more stripe. This one I get to kind of cheat on, because I'll show you in just a second. I'm going to glue it on. and then I'll show you how I'm cheating, okay? So I got my last one on, and that's going to go right up there. See it? So this is the part I'm cheating on. I said I only had to do one last one. I didn't put one over on this side because my blue is going to be on that side. And I have to make sure that my blue does not have any black showing. Okay. I don't want any black showing on my blue because that's going to get glued up right up here. And after I get my blue glued on at the top like that, then I'm going to glue all of my stars into the blue part that I just glued on. So I have all my stars cut out. And now I'm ready to start gluing my stars. Okay. I'm going to get, my glue's not working very well. I'm going to get a different bottle. I'm going to put a dot of glue. I'm looking at those stars. I don't want the black to show. So if you have black on your stars, turn them over. And then you're going to start putting the stars up in the blue. So when you get all done, it's going to look like a heart flag for Memorial Day. Okay? And your name is already on the back, so you're ready to hand it in when you're done. Have fun.